thank you for joining me today on this video. Today is going to be the 60-day final results of the Neem challenge. So get ready for the great reveal. Okay, so here we go. Now, I just got out of the shower not too long ago, so yeah, my hair is not done. But I just wanted to pop on. It is the end of the month. It's the end of February. I can't believe 60 days went by this quick. But here is what I did for the month of February as far as putting the neem oil, which is, if you have not watched the video, this is what I used, the mixture. I'll pop those videos above so you can watch those. But the final results, I did February 3rd. I did February 8th, and when I say did, I mean applying the product to my scalp and my hair. February 11th, February 15th, I did it twice in a week. Last week I skipped, I did not do it, and then I just did it this morning, February 26th, so I'm shooting this video today. This is how it looks. If you can tell, my hair has grown in a lot on this area compared to the video that I featured 2 months ago. It's coming in. There's just a little bit left right in this area that needs to be filled in, but it has completely grown back. This side is taking a little bit longer, but it's not bad because if you see the other video, there was a bigger area, and this is filling in, but it's slow. But I think another 90 days my hair will be I may pop back in another 90 days to show you any other changes as far as the hair growth, but I just wanted to pop back in. And I just wanted to say, I didn't mention in the other two videos, it does, when you apply this, you can feel it stimulating your scalp. It's not as strong as like peppermint or tea tree, but it is very tingly. You can feel it actually penetrating, and you can feel the stimulation in your scalp when you apply it. And another key thing, if you really want this product to work, is to be consistent. You have got to be consistent, and like I have a schedule because I'm doing this video, but just on a regular note, just make sure that you continually, you know, be consistent on your regimen, no matter what natural hair regimen you're doing. But as far as like, especially with hair growth, and if you're trying to do, you know, if you want to see results, whether you're taking vitamins, you know, or eating healthy, drinking water, all of that, you have to stay consistent so you can see the results. So I just wanted to pop in. It's a quick, short video. I'll snap a few shots of the, you know, of the growth. And hopefully if you have tried the challenge and you're actually, you know, looking for to see the results of hair growth, I hope that this video will help you in some way to go ahead and give this neem oil a try. Or you can pop your results, your comments below. If you have any questions, you can pop it below. And I appreciate your support. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the button below. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I appreciate you, and we will chat later. Bye.